So today we're going to do a bee balm on my client Darlene. These are her locks. She's had them for 7 years. So this is going to be the first time we actually detoxified them using Becoiled. And they call it a bee balm. So we're going to fill the sink up with some water. And then we're going to drop the balm in. And I'll be back. This is the balm. We're going to unpackage it. It's a tea tree and peppermint smelling.
What's so good?
It's for the it's for lock detox. So we're gonna drop it.
Ooh, you can, and it opens up your scent.
Okay, so what should I say? Fill sink or water basin with warm water. Drop the entire bee balm into water and wait for it to dissolve. Soak your crown for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay.
So, like, she picked it up.
Oh, it's going fast.
It smells so good.
Now, those are some serious essential oils.
Yeah.
Oh, Ty.
Oh yeah, that feels good. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, we're going to have to go in and on the lactation bundle. Because I think she give y'all 10% off.
Oh yeah?
Uh-huh. I meant to tag you in her post because she was like, drop your lactation. But I wasn't paying no attention. It was late. I couldn't see either.
Oh, it's dissolving fast.
I'm sorry.
I followed up with the shampoo, a deep conditioner, and your Tab moisture spray. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Don't forget to show your support and comment, like, and subscribe. Adios.
Hello.